How to know your Snapchat password without email and number. So if you want to get to know about your Snapchat password, then you will have two steps. So the first one is you need to open up your browser, your Chrome browser or any browser. And then you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. And from here, you can go for settings. And under settings, if you scroll down here, you will have password manager. Tap on password manager. And from here, you will have check your passwords option. Tap on that and you will have all of your passwords here. So what you can do is simply scroll down and here you may have your Snapchat. So I have accounts.snapchat.com, and then if you have Snapchat password here, then you can simply tap on the Snapchat, and from here you can see the username and the password. So to see the password, you need to enter your screen lock password, and then you can see the password. But if you don't have your password here, if you have not saved your password on your Chrome browser, then you can open up your Google and go for the upper right and simply choose the Google account in which you have your Snapchat account. And then again go for the profile, which is on the upper right. And from here you can tap on manage your Google account, and under that you will have data and privacy, or you may also go for the security option. And here if you scroll down here, you will have password. So tap on your password, and under your security, if you scroll all the way down here, you will have password manager. Tap on manage passwords, which is under password manager, and here you will have all of the passwords. So you can simply tap on the search and then search for Snapchat, and here you will have 3 accounts. So you need to enter the lock of your screen mobile device, and then here you will have all of your Snapchat passwords. So I have 3 Snapchat accounts, and here I have all of the passwords of my Snapchat accounts. So that's how you can get to know about your Snapchat passwords without your email and number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.